Hey everyone, the last time we were doing this, we were pooping blood for a week, and here we are again. We're gonna try for 2 weeks. I have a beer and he has a
unlicensed cola.
Unlicensed cola, and I heard they come out with this new McDonald's meal, so I had to go and get it. And what we have is chicken, and more chicken. Look at it. That's a big box. I wonder if it's the same size as the last one, because I don't remember. Is it?
It probably is. Although they do have sports on it instead.
And I'm just itching to get to this because I got a hair's cut, but I got a new haircut and I don't want to take off my hat because it'll blind you. So what we got inside are three-piece chicken. Oh, we got 6-piece, 2 3-piece chicken select tenders. Ew. 2 cheeseburgers, 2 McChicken sandwiches, and 4 small fries. And I think this is going to go a lot better than the last one we did, the challenge we did, because I haven't had a chicken sandwich, a McDonald's chicken sandwich, in like 35 years. What about you? 35 years?
I never had one.
You never had one?
Not from McDonald's.
Oh my God!
This actually looks like a lot less food than the last one.
It does. We had 2 Big Macs. A lot more food. I don't know. I can't do the math. But you're gonna sit here and watch us eat this crap. Anyways, that's. Oh, you just dumped it out. That's right.
Quicker.
And I'm like Mr. Neat. Oh, he's already piling in.
I'm hungry.
And I was gonna say Grace, but Grace, we're done.
Hi, Grace.
And I'm gonna do the cheeseburgers first. I'm gonna do the cheeseburgers first. They didn't give us any sauce. So my wife goes and picks this up. She doesn't even give her meal. She orders a meal. And we get these, and she doesn't even give her meal. And then she goes in there and argues with the girl. Oh, maybe it's in the box. No, it's not in the box. I was like, how hard is your job, man? It's not. You're not nuclear scientists. You're not. I mean, you're not a maintenance man. You fill the order and you put it in a box. They couldn't even get that right. So, anyways, we're gonna try these out. It's just I see it going down and down, man. Oh, this is just delicious looking. Look at that. It looks like a frisbee. Okay, we got a piece of. Oh my gosh, we got pickles on there. That looks like something I launched out this morning. Here's my first bite. And my last bite. I'm stuffed. Oh, you're hitting up.
You'd imagine that they would have McNuggets along with this.
What do you mean?
McNuggets.
McNuggets?
Yeah.
Ain't that what you got?
No, these are chicken tenders.
Oh, they're actually chicken. Because in the chicken nuggets, I think it's like 20% styrofoam. I don't know. That's what I heard.
I actually watched a video on it, and it was showing the actual place where they made them. It was actual chicken.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mechanically processed, mechanically separated.
Nope, by people. There was one of the guys from Mythbusters that was doing it, and there was actual people stripping down actual chicken in front of them.
What?
Yeah, with a knife.
You know how Adolf Hitler tied his shoes?
You little Nazis!
Bad joke. But that was fun.
I don't know him.
I'm sorry, I'm just funny. I'm gonna get some ketchup.
Where your chicken?
Is it ketchup or is it catsup? I don't know anybody that says catsup.
Unless they're joking.
I actually said one time. I used to go to this little store for my mom to get stuff. It was like a little grocery store, privately owned. And I walked in there. I don't know why I said it. I said catsup. Do you know where your catsup is? And she showed me where it was, and I was like, why did I say catsup? I must have been 12 years old. So that was like 10 years ago. What? I'm bad at math. I don't know, man. I don't care. For these cheeseburgers that they say, oh, look how good they look on the TV show, on the commercials.
Everything looks good on the commercial.
Yeah. I think the closest thing that you can get to something that looks like the commercial is Subway.
Or nachos.
Yeah, nachos.
Possibly Taco Bell.
Yeah, they cover it all up and wrapped up and you don't see it. Or, so anyways, they know what he's talking about. No, Dad.
Can't remember what it's called. Hothead. Hothead looks a lot like the commercials.
What the hell? The cheeseburger just crapped on me? I got it everywhere. Look at this. That's disgusting. I got it everywhere. I got it all over my hands. And then, thank God it ain't all over my face.
You just cut out audio when you were talking about that. No, you cut out the video. It's just the audio playing over blackness.
Oh. My head on my hand. Oh, yeah. I don't know. The last time I ate, it's 6 o'clock now. When you're watching this, I don't know what your time zone is, but it doesn't matter. You might have clicked on it. I think it's irrelevant. Where was I going with this? Oh, last time I ate was at 9 o'clock this morning. And I had a big, well, not big, but a Subway bun with peanut butter. That's all I had. I had coffee, a couple pieces of gum, a couple beers this afternoon. I think 3 of them are right. You ate all them dang chickens?
No, there's still a whole box.
Oh, God.
I actually haven't eaten since 4 o'clock this morning.
Really?
Yeah, because I stayed up all night. And I ate some leftovers and I went to sleep.
4 o'clock this morning is the last time you ate?
Mm-hmm. And I've just been drinking water throughout the day.
Let me try one of these tenders.
They're actually pretty good.
Wow. Dude, that is chicken. It'd be nice if we had some sauce with it.
Barbecue?
Yeah, or honey mustard. I like honey mustard. Yeah, that's pretty good.
You know, if anybody calls you a walking Wikipedia, take that as an offense, because Wikipedia can be edited like that.
Oh yeah, it's true. It's tender. It's moist in there. I was like, wow. How are your chicken tenders? She gave me one of these. No.
Might as well have.
She gave me one of those. It would be better if we had some. But the job's pretty hard. You know, God forbid you get some sauce with it. But I can't condone all employees at McDonald's for doing a crappy job, but 8 out of 10 times you go there, they're gonna screw your order up. So at least 20% of them are actually doing the job carrying the other 80%. You guys can pat yourself on the back. Look at that lettuce. I think the best quality thing is the tenders. About the best thing out of the whole sandwich. But this still is. It still doesn't look. It's like a pressed. I don't think it's actual. It's chicken, but it's like pieces and parts of like a shoe and some roadkill, maybe a turd.
I'm going my room.
Hey, where you going?
I can't eat.
I can't eat all this myself. Oh man, look! Someone dropped a deuce on my chicken sandwich. A deuce.
Appetites are I'm going.
Ah!
We still have to remember this is meant for like a whole family.
What?
These boxes.
Really?
And we're stuffing our guts full of it to see if we can eat it all.
I didn't do the how many calories it is.
Uh-oh.
The nutritional value.
Probably on the bottom.
No, look, not there. Oh! Nutrition information, visit McDonalds.com or call. No. It's the Cleveland Cavaliers dinner box. You know, I kind of focus. Oh man, did you just see that fly out of my mouth? I should have been looking this way, laying it right on there.
No.
I wouldn't have said anything, and you would have took a bite and ate it. Then I would have said something.
I would have dropped it right wherever it landed out there and walked away.
Oh, crap, that would have been funny. Anyway, I know they have these the Cascade for the dishwashers where you're gonna get no more spots. You got spots on your. You get this new improved Cascade, it gets rid of the spots. Well, let me tell you something. 35 years ago, they were doing the spot maker. Cascade gets rid of the spot maker. So what did they do for 35 years that all of a sudden got rid of the spots? They were getting rid of them 35 years ago. Funny. Oh, crap. Well, you got an extra row of teeth like a shark? Oh,
Is that what you're gonna do? Whenever you want fries, you're just gonna take them out of there and put them in there?
I'm full. Hard. Spot is just eyeballing me hard. Oh, look at him.
I gave her a couple fries.
Oh!
She was happy.
Oh my god! I still got another pack of damn chicken crap over here. The next one we have, we're gonna have an audience, a studio audience.
Oh god, no.
And
Oh yes, a studio audience that will watch us eat.
it'll be your friends.
Oh
I'll
god.
buy them all their food and all their drinks. Then they can come in here and just rip on him.
Oh, I'll rip back. Literally nothing would get done. Because you'd be laughing and we'd be taking the pee out of each other.
A big food fight. a slam dunk meal deal.
It's a good way to torture someone.
I wonder, do they sell these in PA, in Indiana, Illinois?
Private sports teams.
Right. So, what's the what's the Pennsylvania basketball team?
I don't know, I don't like basketball.
Pennsylvania Dutch, Amish. What? Yeah, it's a basketball team. That's it, it's a professional basketball team. I think I've seen it. I Wikipedia'd it.
I'm just thinking about just a bunch of Amish guys playing basketball.
Against the Cavaliers.
They ride it on their horse and buggy.
It's like the Generals going against the Globetrotters, you know? Oh my God.
You know, they should have a commercial, McDonald's, where the announcer's like, John ate the family meal, the big box family meal, all by himself. And now he's on the toilets, and then it shows the guy on the toilet, and all of a sudden there's splashes like like splashes in the water. You're like, I'm loving it! But as splashes instead.
Oh my God. Hey, you scored a great meal. Those are all large fries.
Yeah.
Do they even make medium fries anymore? I think they're all small or large.
One way or the other.
You know what the difference between? Alright,
Oh God.
this is a small fry. And to make it a medium, there you go. It's a medium. Now it's a large.
Did you hear about
No.
in China, I think, they had the super fry, where it was like the basic large fry, and then there was like an extra little part onto it, and they put fries in there too.
No.
And I'm like, how is that in China, not in America?
Oh my God. Yeah.
I heard about it a few years ago.
Oh wow. They do product in different countries, see how it works and stuff. But there's something, like you got different things you can go to restaurants, like McDonald's and Burger King, and you can order something that isn't on the menu. Like a McDonald's, I think you can order a grilled cheese. They'll make you a grilled cheese. And if they don't, go in there and say, hey, I'd like a grilled cheese. And if they don't, you just punch them in the face. Don't make it. Try it. Anyway,
Works for us.
we used to go to, me and my friend back in
1995. Oh, what a great year.
1980.
Losing it.
Such a beating.
I'm already beat.
It was late 80s. We'd go to Dairy Queen and you'd order a super split. And you got the regular banana split. They'd have this aluminum tin. They'd put a bunch of bananas in there. A whole bunch. No. It was like twice the size of a regular banana split. And that's what we used to get. It wasn't on the menu, it was a super split. A couple of times you go in there, they wouldn't, like, if you go in there when a new person starts, and they never trained them on that, but certain people know, oh yeah, it's a super split, I'll get it. And it was really good, man. Oh, anyway, anything with ice cream is good.
You can be excessive sometimes.
You put ice cream on a poop, not eat it.
Jesus. I really like milkshakes though.
I eat that ice cream.
Yeah, but I never really eat anything else that's ice cream. I don't really ever like milkshakes.
Ah. A lot of chicken, man. Wait a minute. You're done?
No.
Okay. We got. Oh. There's like 2 fries left. Are you gonna finish them?
I didn't end up finishing them. I don't know.
There's no way I can do it. I have 2 chicken tenders, 2 fries, and probably a half. Whatever that. Oh. What?
Wait a second. I thought you put that in the garbage disposal.
Oh.
He did that. He put a wooden egg in the garbage disposal.
I don't want any more. I might. I might finish what I have here. No, I'm not finished what I have there. That's it. That's all I got, man.
So I went.
That's it. I have 2 tenders, 2 fries, and about 15 fries there. That's all I've done. I can't do it anymore. But I sort of drink a hell out of a beer though. You gonna finish that? I throw in the towel. It's this. For me, I'm done. We think I would have had some room laying that egg.
Here's mine.
I wouldn't give her that. Give her one of these. Just take my hand off of this. Yeah. You want this? Well, folks, I think that's it. We're done. We couldn't finish. I couldn't finish this one. He finished the last one we did. And he has about a fry and a half in the bottom of that. And I have my McNugget, my thing. Well, she's eating another one. Spot's eating one, and I had an egg, and that's about it. I'm ready for a nap. And
I'm not looking forward to tonight on the toilet.
Anyways, if you ever tried it, let us know if you ate it all or anything, or link us to your video to let me know how you went, and I can watch your video, see what you did.
See where he went wrong.
Huh?
And see where you went wrong.
Yeah, see where you went wrong. Maybe there's a science behind it. Yeah, like what you did. Maybe there's something you have to eat a little bit of this, a little bit. I don't know.
I should have eaten more fries earlier on.
I don't know. Anyways.
Now imagining somebody agonizing over it, just analyzing every single bite, every single thing they eat, just working it out on a mathematical level.
Ben!
No, he's an engineer. He would just build something to eat it.
Alright guys, let us know how you like it, if you watch it, or if you tried it and everything like that. What you didn't like about it, what you liked about it. Anyways, thanks for watching.